The first year of life is a whirlwind of discovery for babies and those who care for them. Every smile, babble, and step is a milestone, a sign of how rapidly they're growing and learning. Understanding these milestones and how to nurture them can help create unforgettable moments while building a strong foundation for your baby's future. Let's dive into the first year, month by month. The first 3 months are all about adjustment. Babies are adapting to life outside the womb, and the milestones in this stage might seem subtle, but they're critical. Around 6 to 8 weeks, that first social smile will appear. A tiny but powerful way of saying, "I see you and I like you." Babies also begin tracking objects with their eyes and responding to familiar voices, especially those they hear the most. Tummy time is a key activity during this phase. It builds neck and shoulder strength, preparing them for rolling and sitting later. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase as your baby gets stronger. Making eye contact during tummy time or talking to your baby keeps them engaged and reassured. Between 4 and 6 months, your baby becomes more interactive. This is the stage where they begin rolling over, reaching for toys, and babbling sounds like ba and da. These aren't just random noises. They're the building blocks of future conversations. Repeating their babbles back to them helps lay the foundation for language development. It's like having their first conversation, even if it's just ba 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 on repeat. This stage is also when babies start exploring textures and shapes. So offer safe, colorful toys they can grasp and examine. Teething often starts during this phase. So keep chilled teethers on hand to soothe their gums. These little moments of comfort go a long way in helping your baby through this stage. At 7 to 9 months, babies are on the move. Crawling, scooting, or pulling up are all signs of growing independence. They're also beginning to respond to their name and understand simple words like no or bye-bye. Interactive games like clapping, waving, or peekaboo become favorites, not just for fun, but for teaching social and emotional skills. Encouraging these games helps babies learn cause and effect while building coordination. Creating a safe play space is essential at this stage, as their curiosity can lead them anywhere. Baby-proofing isn't just a task. It's an invitation for them to explore without limits. The final months of the first year are all about exploration and independence. Most babies will start cruising along furniture and may even take their first steps. This is also the time when language skills blossom, with first words like mama, dada, or even the name of their favorite toy. Books with bold pictures and simple text are perfect for this stage. Reading not only builds vocabulary, but also strengthens the bond between baby and caregiver. And don't forget to celebrate every little achievement, whether it's waving, clapping, or that magical first step. Your encouragement fuels their confidence. It's natural to wonder if your baby is on track. While every baby develops at their own pace, there are some signs to watch for. Not smiling by 3 months, no babbling by 6 months, or not responding to their name by 12 months may indicate the need for additional support. Trust your instincts and consult a pediatrician if you're concerned. Early intervention can make a big difference. Parenting doesn't have to be complicated. Everyday moments are opportunities for connection and learning. Narrate your day, whether you're folding laundry or making dinner. This is your sock, 1 sock, 2 socks. Talking exposes babies to language and helps them feel included. Play simple games like pat-a-cake or peekaboo, even if it's just for 5 minutes. These small interactions have a big impact on their development. The first year is a time of growth, discovery, and connection. Every smile, babble, and step is a reminder of how far your baby has come. Celebrate the small moments, trust the process, and remember, you're doing an incredible job. If this guide has been helpful, subscribe for more parenting insights and share your baby's latest milestone in the comments. Let's celebrate together.